Hi, my name is Andy from Attorney Side. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a transformer. Sometimes we use the sign for a couple years or a couple months something, the sign not working. Probably the problem is the transformer. And we will send you a transformer to replace it, or you can order a transformer. Now I'm going to show you how can we replace the transformer. When you look at the sign, here the transformer, and then you see transformer coming two wire to the side, so you see where the two wire going. You see this side, one wire connect here, one wire connect here. So we're going to release the wire. Sometimes if it's hard to release, we have to take out the unit. We just cut the tie wire, remove the unit. When we do anything with the sign, should be very, very careful and gentle because the glass is fragile. For this case, we have to, the first thing is we remove the electrical cap. If you're using for a couple months, it's hard to remove it. If it's hard to remove it, we use a dryer to heat it, not here, here, to heat it. Then open it, heat it, make it hot and soft, and we can remove it. If it's still hard to remove, we can use the knife to cut it a little bit and then open it and then gently remove it. After remove it, you can see the wire twist, so we release it. One and two. After that, we take the wire out slowly and gentle, slowly and gentle. Take it out, right? And then we use in a screwdriver to release the transformer.
Okay.
Now we take a new transformer. The new transformer coming two wire too, right? But it's too long. We have to cut it shorter. Try to cut same length as the old one. So you put two transformers together, cut cut same length. Maybe the new transformer leave it along a little bit 1 inch longer in case it's too short. Okay? Then we cut it. Cut both. After we cut it, we take a new transformer after we cut the wire. And we put it back. When you twist it back, make sure it's tight. It's tight. You cannot just do it, make it tight. Make sure it's tight. One piece. Put the cap back. This side too. Okay, I think it's done. And then plug in and see if it works. Okay, it's done. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time. Hope you can bring us more business. See you. Bye.